Most people use the same 3 AI tools. These 10 hidden gems are what power users and top performers rely on to stay productive. You'll wish you found them sooner. Reclaim AI intelligently schedules your tasks, habits, and meetings to protect deep work time. Motion goes further. It auto-prioritizes and reschedules your entire day dynamically. MEM auto-organizes your notes and surfaces relevant information when you need it. Fabric is an AI-powered personal knowledge base that connects everything you read, save, and write. S.C.A.L.A creates AI-powered forms that adapt questions based on responses. Magical autofills repetitive text across any app. TextBlaze creates smart templates with dynamic variables. Scrintle for visual thinking with AI, Art Browser's AI features for smarter browsing, and S.C.A.L.A for AI-powered project management. Each fills a gap the big tools miss. Which hidden gem was new to you? Comment below. Subscribe for the deep dive review of each tool coming in the next 10 weeks.